this is step 5 all the way through to step 7-4. So I did something I don't usually do, which is I just prepped all the pieces for this whole little furniture piece. So I guess, well, this should go pretty quickly. Glob on the top, like so. Okay, it's been open for like an hour, that glue, and it's already, all right, angry on it. Okay, so it says to put the wax on this, the end of this, but I hate doing this wax stuff, it's so annoying. We'll see if it helps. But this isn't for any kind of mechanics thing, it's just so that it fits together nicely, so I guess that's interesting. Okay. Oh, that's the bottom of that. That's so weird. Why would they do it that way? Come on. Because it goes, I'm assuming, like that. These are fitting tight. That's why I can never do this work, do my crafting late at night, because on these pieces, because that goes in there. There we go. I'm trying not to move my doohickey there. Okay, this is going to be really, really messy. So that's going to go in there. Okay. And then those are pretty loose. I don't think we need to do anything with the doors. So are they supposed to be closed all the way? Because once they're closed, I don't think they're going to open. Do they open? So now we put on these little handles. Three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. There is our little cabinet.